Another look at the forecast. 4029 meteorologist Robert Suhr joining us right now. And Robert, you said the winds will be picking up tomorrow and some rain possibly. Is that tomorrow or into Monday with the rain part?
Tomorrow night and into Monday.
Okay.
So if you have plans tomorrow, and some people might because it's National Bagel Day.
Bagel Day.
Yes.
There
yes.
you go. Get out
yourself
the
some cream cheese, folks.
There you go.
Celebrate National Bagel Day tomorrow. Tasty, yes. And the weather's going to be tasty as well. A little bit windy on the menu for the weather buffet tomorrow. There's a look at Fayetteville today. Things are nice and quiet. 52 today, just a handful of degrees above the average, which is 47. Today in 1952, it was 71. We are going to take a run at temperatures in the 70s here over the next couple of days here. So we'll be flirting with some records. Meanwhile, Fort Smith just 50. They had a little bit stubborn clouds. A degree shy of your average, which is 51. But cold on this morning in 1892, falling down to 2 below zero. Here's a look at the snow cover across the country. A skiff of snow across the Great Lakes into the Appalachians, central portions of Missouri, and yes, even into our area as well. You get east of the area, Boone, Newton County, just to the east of Carroll County. Got a little bit of snow the other day. Lots of snow though, drought-busting snows across the west. They really need it. We're starting to see some progress in a lot of those dry reservoirs across California and Nevada. Certainly good news, but they have a long way to go. For us right now, upper 30s and lower 40s across northwest Arkansas. Lower 40s for the most part in the River Valley with just a couple of upper 30s floating around. Still under the influence of high pressure, but the flow around that high as it slides off to the east start to pull in southerly winds, and we have a system back to the west, this boundary. As the boundary gets close to this area of high pressure, it's going to squeeze the atmosphere, and those winds are really going to pick up for your Sunday. So quiet tonight for the most part. Could be some breaks in the clouds, especially early tomorrow morning. Then we'll start to see those clouds filter back in by the lunch hour. Mid to upper 50s by lunchtime or so. Then by the time we get to Sunday night, we start to watch the potential weak system will come through while many of us are asleep and could produce a couple of stray showers. Really no big deal. You'll wake up Monday morning. If you have to work on the holiday, your windshield could be wet. Streets and sidewalks might be a little moist as well. And there's a look at our wind gusts. By tomorrow morning, gusting 20 to 40 miles an hour. They'll be stronger in northwest Arkansas than in the River Valley, but still blowing around quite a bit out there. By noon, same thing. It'll be a very windy Sunday, unfortunately, and those winds will probably stick around as well for the Dr. King holiday on Monday. Lows tonight, mostly in the mid-30s or so, and then we'll rebound tomorrow into the 50s and lower 60s. So a handful of degrees warmer than we were today. We'll be even warmer on Monday. For Martin Luther King Day, if you have festivities or plans you're doing on the holiday. Wednesday, though, looks like a wet day. There's no doubt about that, as we have a system that's coming through. Could be an all-day washout there. We'll see. Winds pick up behind it. Temperatures go down slightly to more average values for this time of the year. Same thing in the River Valley. With a little bit of rain tomorrow night, better chance for rain and maybe even a thunderstorm or so. But right now, it's looking like the severe threat will stay well to our south on Wednesday. So just rain, maybe some rumbles of thunder. Oh, the Hogs Hoops team, they were rumbled today by Vanderbilt. Meredith Mulkey. She's got your sports update. That's after the break.